Hey guys, it's Canadian Pyro. So today we've got a brand new cake for 2021 by Fireworks. This is Hurricane, got 43 shots. It's an angled cake. Red, purple, or green tail to red, green, or purple coconut to white, gold, green, or red strobe to whistle to chrysanthemum to gold chrysanthemum. So we've got quite a few effects in here. And you can see on the back here, I really like what Hans has done, and they've laid out all of our effects for us. So it's very loud, 30 seconds, it's mid-tempo, 43 shots. We've got angled, we got white, green, gold, red, and purple, 30-meter height, and it's a starting order as well. So I will also open up the top so we can take a look at how it's laid out. So it looks like we've got the same bore throughout the entire cake. So we've got two rows of straight shots. And then we've got one angle to the one side. And then we've got the opposite angle. And then we've got a fan shape for the last 3 rows. Okay guys, let's test out Hurricane. Actually,